crazy to think this is gonna be one of the last times coming in here. We're bringing the house down today, literally. Hey guys, future me popping on here real quick just to say that the vlog you're about to watch happened on Friday, August 2nd, and we actually did have a bunch of volunteers, probably around 20 people, come and help on August 3rd, but I was so busy going back and forth to the dump with loads that people were loading up, thankfully, that I didn't even film one thing that day. And we had some really great people show up that day. My childhood best friend showed up, my brother's best friend Nick came around again to help, my mom's best friend Rose showed up, a couple of other friends from high school that I had showed up, and a man in a van pulled up on the street and asked if this was the address of the house that burned, and he actually said that he was from a local church in Libby and that he had a, sorry, I'm petting Judy, and that him and a bunch of other people from the church were going to be showing up that next day, which was Saturday, which was the day I didn't film. These people worked their butts off helping us load trailers with debris. It just meant so much to me, to my brother, to my sister-in-law, and to my mom. To have help in her greatest time of need was just something, you can't put a price on that, and you can't even put that into words, how grateful you feel when people you don't even know. I mean, these people from the church, this man, we didn't know any of them, and they stepped forward to help someone they didn't know. And that's just a really beautiful thing. And of course, some of the people I do know and that we do know did step forward to help. So that was awesome. And I just wanted to say again, if you're one of those people and you're watching this, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are amazing. Yeah, see, Judy agrees. It's Judy grunting this time, not Walter. But without delaying this any further, we'll just jump right into the vlog. So thank you, and I'll see you later. It's August 2nd, and this is our second weekend, well, my second weekend, my brother's third weekend here at the house to get stuff rolling. There's my brother. Yeah, we gotta go through some things and make sure we got everything out of here. But we're bringing the house down today. Literally. Yeah, we got everything in this corner over here so that when he's yanking and pulling on this end of the house, nothing will be collapsed in on, hopefully. And then this part, we do have to move some of this furniture here, I think, so that if stuff does come down, at least maybe we can save it. It's crazy to think this is gonna be one of the last times coming in here. This used to be my sister's bedroom growing up, and all that's fallen. This was like a huge landing area, and then it's kind of a weird shaped bedroom. It was really cool. Then this was my big bedroom. That was painted there before we even moved in the first time in the early 90s. Look at how good this house was to us. I know. I love your house.
That shouldn't be too bad to get down though. Upper stories we'd be better on. And also I'd be able to get on the far side of the house.
So just take the wrong truck over and rent it?
Yeah, I'll have you follow me.
What?
The truck or whatever.
Oh, you mean on the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Wow. Wow, you did a lot of damage in a small amount of time. This is insane. The wrecker's here to take my brother's dump truck away, which is back over there. It's just crazy. This is crazy. But it's getting done. Oh yeah. I wouldn't trust any of the house now to go in.
Tim, this is making all sorts of noise.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, I'm not getting near it.
Okay, good.
I'm getting the wall.
We should have took all that metal back to the metal pile, really, because now we're going to have to stick through it.
Move it again. Oh well.
Yeah.
We'll get more exercise, I guess.
Good for that.
Who needs a gym when your house burns down?
Yeah.
I feel like such a loser just standing around watching it. There's not a lot we can do right now.